the fastest way to grow wealth in Canadian real estate in 2025.
Own your life.
If you're serious about growing your net worth in Canadian real estate in 2025, you've come to the right place. Let's be real for a second. The investment opportunities we once had in the Canadian real estate market are shrinking rapidly. What happened to the days of scooping up multiple rental properties and waiting for cash flow to roll in easily? Those days are gone, at least for now, but don't worry. I'm about to share with you the fastest way you can build your wealth in real estate today, even in this challenging market. Like and subscribe this new channel if you haven't yet. So, what's the new strategy? Here's the key. Instead of focusing on rental properties, you should consider buying a home that needs renovations, do the work, and then wait. Why wait, you ask? Because there's a major benefit to this approach, the capital gains exemption. Let me break it down for you. Step 1, buy a property that needs renovations. Rather than purchasing a move-in ready property, focus on buying something that needs a little TLC. Whether it's a cosmetic overhaul, lipstick, or perhaps something more substantial. This will allow you to add value and create equity appreciation by upgrading the property. Step 2, renovate. Wait and reap the benefits of the capital gains exemption. What I mean by that is once the renovations are complete, you still need to wait a little bit longer based on the current rules, because if you own a property as your principal residence, you must own it for at least 2 years moving forward after January 1st, 2025. And then you'll be eligible to take advantage of the capital gains exemption. To be clear, if you buy a property after January 1st, 2025, that's where this capital gain rule requirement of 2 years kicks in. Now, this is critical because when you eventually sell, the profit that you've gained on the appreciation of the property will not be subject to capital gains tax. So what does that mean for you? It means more money in your pocket and a quicker growth to your overall net worth. Why, you ask? Because the profits are not taxable. Step 3, rinse and repeat. Once you've sold a renovated property, it's time to rinse and repeat. Use the profits from the sale and reinvest it into another property. You're continuing the renovation process and you're helping to build your overall wealth portfolio. After a few cycles, you'll either be mortgage-free or on your way to owning a substantially larger property. This strategy, combined with today's market conditions, is arguably the fastest way to grow significant equity without the headaches of managing rental properties and dealing with fluctuating rental income. If you already own a home now is the time to renovate where needed. Don't let your equity sit stagnant. Do the upgrades, raise the value of your home, and when the timing is right, sell and start the process over again. In 2025, this is how savvy homeowners will thrive and outpace traditional investors. Now, if you're someone with large amounts of capital, or you already own properties in markets like Burnaby and Vancouver, well, you have another golden opportunity: multiplex housing development. Here's why multiplexes are the next big thing. Canada is desperate and in need of more housing supply, especially in urban centers. Governments are starting to relax zoning rules, and that means you could be in a prime position to capitalize on a multiplex development. Option 1, develop a property yourself. Whether it's adding secondary suites or building multiplexes from the ground up, the demand for these units is only going to grow. Option 2, partner with developers, investors, or both. If you don't want to get your hands dirty with the construction aspect, you can still get involved by investing in development projects. Whether you build or partner, getting into the multiplex housing is another fast-track way to boost your net worth in 2025. In many cases, you can come in with increments as low as $100,000 and obtain annual returns of around 20% or higher for multiple years in a row. More on multiplex investment opportunities soon. The bottom line: while the Canadian real estate investment landscape is changing, there is still incredible opportunities out there. It just takes a shift in strategy. So stop focusing on the rental game for now and start thinking about how you can maximize your returns through renovations, capital gains exemptions, and possibly multiplex developments. Please share this video now with somebody else if you feel they will benefit from it. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll probably like this one too. Grab a copy of my best-selling book, Rockstar Real Estate Investing, on Amazon for more in-depth knowledge. I'm Jesse Johnson. Have a nice day.